Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to your grind. It's Monday and we are starting it off with Dixie. Few things I want to point out to you guys right here and now so there's no confusion. I want you to look at this grind of the lows that we did here. As we grinded those lows, you can see RSI was just building, building, building bullish divergence. Finally, you got the pop after we hit our support. Okay, look at what's going on right now. We're grinding, 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 grinding down, but RSI is just going sideways, 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 building up that bullish divergence. We hit our bottom. We're starting to pop off. Now, are we going to do what we did like this last time? Are we going to open today's New York session and just bust up with Dixie? Or is Dixie going to find a resistance over here at that 101.85 and then get a push back down to the 101 level? Today, we will watch and see. It's going to be very important today's daily close. Right now, you're setting up a little bit of a divergence right here between these two highs. I want to see daily close above, if not near 102, 102.50, so we can look for continuation the next day. If not, we find some resistance over here, then we can come back down, grind it out this whole week if we need to before a breakout. As long as we don't lose the 101 level with the daily close, I'm confident in us grinding this level out and continuing up and moving forward accordingly. I am short in Ethereum and other assets because of that. And my Ethereum short is printing right now. Yep, it's printing. So I just wanted to point that out. Now we could go to Bitcoin and start off our situation. Here you go, Bitcoin on a daily time frame. 30,300 is where we're at. And that is basically where, oh no, haha. 30,300 is where we were at. Now it is much lower. So it looks like the bear divergence is finally playing out after the weekend BS of, just trapping more longs. You're getting the washout move right now. I would be expecting today to, first of all, we had to hold above 30,000. The second we lost 30,000, the risk of testing into 29,000 is there, which is about $1,000 drop. And then losing that $1,000, I'll give you at 28,800 some support. If that is lost, I would be looking for a much deeper retrace into about 27 to 26.8. Okay, and that's where I'll be looking for my next long. You see, my alert is there for a freaking reason. Use it to your advantage. I'm going to put another alert right here at 30,500 because that was my original short. And now I can know that, hey, I could have made at least 1,000 plus if I held it. But I am short in ETH. I'm not short in Bitcoin. And I'm looking for us to test into the support of around 28,900 to 29,000 and see if we could hold that as support for continuation to the next day. So today's daily close is what we're waiting to see if we close above the 21 EMA or not. All right, let's go to a 4 hour. Today's going to be a very quick video, as you can tell. Trades are kicking in, and I got to go to live with Discord. So as you can see, the 4 hour time frame, you are closing almost outside the Bollinger Band. You're about to lose the 55 EMA. If you close a 4 hour candle underneath 29,600, 29,500, I would be looking for the next target of mine, which is around 28.2. Over here, you can look for a scalp long. I have this alert here as a warning for me if I take this long scalp. And then you can look for lower as like 26.2. These are all valid targets. Because of the overextension that we hit to the upside, to the downside, I can see us coming all the way to 25K and not sweating. And then using that as a opportunity to buy a long. Yeah, we're going to get resistance at 28K, come back, grind 26, and then break out. You understand? We're not going to just go up or down a straight path. We're going to consolidate before we go in one direction or the other. Right now, as much as the oscillator is going to the oversold situation, we have hardly even broke the 55 EMA. So there's no reason to get too bearish until this 4 hour closes in 28 minutes under 29.8. And then the new candle will open. It will look for that extension. And then we could reverse right back into New York Open. So I don't want to be completely bearish, but I just want to show you that the pressure is to the downside. We are nearing oversold condition. We are in the bit close to the bearish control zone, but we wanted to hold the support at around 29,000 so we can grind it and continue up higher. Cool. Now, let's say we get above 31,000 and close a 4 hour above, then we're looking for 32.5 and then 34 to 36,000. Cool. Now we've covered all of that. Now I can go to my baby ETH. It's this coffee. All right. Luckily, I gave the warning for the short to members right on time. Hope people took it. Okay. So there's ETH from yesterday at 21.24 is when I last looked at it. People did short that level. Right, Candace? I know Candace, I took it. I think Cut Corners took it. So nice morning to wake up to like almost 100% profit, if not more. Some of you guys I know took a nice size trade. Okay, here's the chart. So what we were doing in the weekend, we were going sideways, but ETH was in like pretty decent stance. But on other time frames, you were setting up bearish divergences, and you were closing inside the Bollinger Band. So as soon as we opened today, we got that bearish engulfing candle just to test the low of a previous day. But now, if we can just grind this level and not go under 2080 and get back above before the daily close, we have an opportunity of going sideways and up and testing back into that 2150. This was a little bit higher, but as we're going down, now our EMA came back into our fib level. How ironic is that? This is why EMAs are a good guide, but use your fib. The fib is the true level, and you can't even see what I'm talking about. Can I tease you with it? Let's see if it works. Guess not. Anyway, as you can saw, that was a bull flag. I'm waiting for a breakout to the 23.3 level. Sorry, guys, markets are moving hard, so got a little bit of lag on me. So today, what we're looking for is that daily close above 2080. If we lose 2080, I would like to find support at 1990. Bitcoin is already kind of losing this level and going to the 21 EMA. So we have a lot of room to the downside on ETH. So just be aware that Bitcoin is on support, but ETH is like pretty up there for a decent retrace to like close to 2000. That's about $100 move. So just be aware of that. I'm short from like 2090 after I was short at 2125. I took profit and I reshorted at 2095. And we're riding it down right now. I'm 80, 90% in profit right now. And I am about to take profit. Baby long. Let's do that instead. Instead of closing the short, we'll take a hedge long on the bottom. Okay, so I'm basically trying to take that the low of the day, which I just got filled. Okay, cool. Market is moving fast. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, cool. I got enough of a position now. All right, so now as this is dipping down, I will DCA into my long and I will take profit on my short the lower we go. But just keep in mind it can be a little mean today. We are definitely coming off of some overbought conditions, and you are feeling that right now as the quick liquidations is going to push this a little bit deep and fast. Sorry, I'm literally trying to get a quick lick. Okay, sorry guys. I'm just adding a bunch of ladder all the way down. So now as we talk, if it feels cool. Okay, so now we're coming off overbought. I'm looking for us to come at least into that 1990. If we lose 1990, we'll go into that low 1900 area. 18 let's see, 1940 is where we don't want to go too much under. If we start closing under 1940, I'll be looking for that 1840, another $100 drop underneath that. So just be ready for those vicious moves today. And nice. Okay, now we're solid. So I have a straddle now from 2070 2071 to 2090. So now I'm straddled of the entire daily candle of yesterday, and then we'll see if we get that lower move into New York Open, or if we just tested support and if we're going to break on up. And I'll show you this now on a 4-hour time frame so you understand what I mean by did we test into yesterday's support. So breaking down now and closing a 4-hour underneath the 2050 or 2060 level would give us the next extension probably to that 1999 to $2,000 level that I was talking about. And then even lower than that can come this 1930, $1940 level that I was talking about on daily. So we have to watch that. But first, they have to break us under 2070 with a 4-hour opening close. Otherwise, this was a nice long scalp for us to test into the higher levels as New York opens and take liquidity back out and before rolling over. We are selling off, but we are on support right now. Until we close at 4 hour underneath 2070, I can't be bearish. Another thing is we have earnings coming out this week, like Apple, Tesla, um, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Please be aware that those earnings reports will be somewhat of an importance because if those companies are showing less profitability under these market conditions, less people are going to be jumping to invest in them, less money going into the market, meaning risk off mentality. It's going to affect other risk assets that are overbought, such as crypto. So just be aware of what's going on in that equities front. And right now, we know that ETH is stronger than Bitcoin. So ETH selling off a little bit more than Bitcoin might be a buying opportunity for you if you have a long-term case thesis of holding this coin, if you're not just trading and you want to hold it. So there's your opportunity for you to get into that long around $2,000 today, which I'll be myself entering again after here. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in trading with us live, please feel free to join us on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend. If you do use them, you're helping the channel grow, so thank you so much. And then if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section of this YouTube video and I'll get you in the next video. And if you could just say hi, hello, leave a like, a subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already, I would greatly appreciate it because you're also helping the channel grow. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Be safe today and do not panic for the downside until 2070 is broken on a 4-hour open and close. Thank you and have a great day, guys. No falling for the market tricks.